Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38. All right, everybody. My roundabout is we done made it to Culvers. I keep telling y'all I'm gonna come here, so we finally made it. Yesterday we ended up going to the little Mexican restaurant. So today we made it to Culvers. And if you look at Culvers, they got pretty good burgers. I always like their food. And if you look at their menu, they got a very cool menu. They also sell salads, chicken sandwiches, sides. They got burgers. They got fish sandwiches. Then they also got ice cream and custard. The ice cream and custard is pretty good from what I tried. I actually got something called blackberry cobbler. I actually tried that. It's actually pretty decent. But if you look, they got fish too. They also got shrimps. They actually got pretzel bites. They actually got mashed potatoes and gravy. They actually got soup. They got chili cheddar fries. They got beef pot roast sandwiches. They got a grilled Reuben milk. They got pork loin sandwich. They got a veggie burger. They got butterfly jumbo shrimp. They got North Atlantic cod. They got a few things. If you look at the menu, you know what I mean. You know, then they also got your drinks and stuff. But this is one of the meals right here that they got. Called a wale. That's a fish meal. Definitely looks real good. I definitely should have tried some fish. I did want to try fish. I think I got the fish sandwich. Yeah. What's up, Lily G? How you doing today?
Good.
You doing good? I'm bouncing around. How you doing today?
Good.
Yeah. How was school?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what you learned today?
About trees.
Trees.
Yes.
So you know trees help keep the air clean
Yeah.
and help make oxygen for the world.
And then they die when they get. Oh,
You do not need that 3 straws.
what?
Don't worry about what she's doing.
Yeah,
How you doing today?
Good.
How was school?
Good.
How you doing today?
Good.
How was school?
Good.
What you learned today?
Math.
You working on your reading?
Yeah.
Okay, make sure. You need to be reading that right there.
He said library sucks.
It's okay. He gonna get it together when he learn. If he don't get his schooling together.
Because and that's
We
why
didn't-
we punished.
Stop being so loud.
Because we didn't get no books.
It's okay, but the library don't suck. You go to the library to read books. You don't have to always get a book out of there, read a book while you in there. But like I said, we at Culvers right now. You're looking at the menu. You see they got their value basket. I actually got 3 of those for the kids where you can make your own basket. So the whole meal came out to like $30-something. You can't beat that with 3 kids and an adult for $30-something. You know what I mean? If it was just me, the meal probably came out to like $10. But ate here about 2-3 times before. I never had their fish. I just always had their burgers and they was pretty good. Had some of their ice cream before, but that was a bad mistake because I actually ate ice cream while I was traveling from Chicago to Tennessee, and I had to use the bathroom, which was a terrible situation. But we're gonna go ahead and get this food and stuff. You see they got the kids meals right here, and like that, man. We're gonna catch y'all in a minute. All right. We got some pretzel bites right here. We got a cheeseburger, another cheeseburger and fries, another cheeseburger and fries, and then I got me a fish sandwich right there. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, that's mine. And you know, he wanted cheeseburgers. You know, Mr. Cheeseburger. That's gonna be his nickname, the Hamburger. Y'all remember the hamburger off of McDonald's back in the day? He used to be the one who used to steal the hamburgers. That's basically my man's right here. Mr. Hamburger. He loves some cheeseburgers. And you know, I already know my girl right there, Charlie 2 times. And look at her. She's just trying to be in the camera. She can't help herself. I already know who that is. That's Squirrely. But yeah, we about to go ahead and eat on this food. Like I said, we got some burgers and fries. These pretzel bites are pretty good. I ain't gonna even lie. Those are Tally. So there you go, Tally.
Where's mine?
You see what I mean? These kids acting like they don't see all this food here. You're like, where's mine? You know, like, come on now. They gotta have some sense about themselves. Here you go. Here you go. Here I go with the fish sandwich. See, I got a fish sandwich. I didn't want a burger because we've been eating burgers for the last few days. I can't eat burgers every day. Burgers start tasting nasty to me.
Just one.
That meat ugly. Yeah, but I heard my son say that meat ugly. That's funny.
I didn't put it in my mouth yet. Yeah. just choked myself. She stole one.
No?
Lily. It's down there.
Where?
Give me it.
Let me have one.
Fine, just one.
Can I get one? Give me some
Let me
cheese.
get one too. You don't want some of that fries.
No,
Don't do
no,
that.
I don't want the
do that.
fries.
Don't ever do
Want some
that.
cheese?
I don't want his fries.
You gonna want some fries. You already know it.
No, just watch. Okay, since you asked for my pretzel, give me your fries.
Okay, I
Give
don't
me your
care.
fries.
But you said you want a fry.
So,
Yeah, see?
no, because they ate
Y'all
my
see
pretzel.
that? So, you're supposed to share.
You said it's mine.
Sharing is everything.
Y'all didn't share. That's no fair.
Because you didn't ask for nothing. But if you would have asked them something, they would have shared with you, right? 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 Okay.
I'm sharing.
Lily, drop your folder.
Lily, my folder over there.
Right there.
Oh. I mean, she dropped your
Yeah,
arm.
these kids crazy, man. I gotta actually upload a new. What we say we gonna call the channel? You came up with a name yesterday.
Live Kids? No, The Life Kids? You said that.
Wait, when did like what did you call the show like when you started?
Oh, Young World TV.
Yeah.
That's what it's gonna be called. Young World TV.
I mean,
Yeah. We also got Jasmine.
Not even
Last name in it.
Jasmine's last name?
Jasmine Young name. Last name is Young.
because you're not
Or
getting
just
the fries.
feel like thank you God. I didn't you didn't ask for fries.
Why you mad? I say thank you God I ain't eat the burger.
Because I don't want to eat the pickles.
Oh,
You're getting
Trying to hide the pickle. Not my fries.
Yeah,
trying to hide
because you have my pretzel, so no.
Daddy, I gave her a fry. Then you can have a fry. I don't care. And you can't have a bite of my burger because you already
Stop. No, Lily.
Daddy,
what?
you're not sharing.
That's her cheese.
It's my cheese. Stop.
Yeah, it's her cheese.
Stop.
Oh!
No one. Stop dipping.
But don't knock.
Stop dipping in her stuff. That's your
Whoa.
Sorry.
food. What do you do?
You put cheese inside my drink.
Oh,
Trash. That's gay. That's why you're not playing on
sit down
games.
and eat your food. Son.
Stop.
Yeah, stop eating the cheese. Sit down
I
and eat
don't
your
hurt
food.
you.
You ain't gonna hurt nobody.
Touch me again. Now give me my fries since you dipped it in my cheese.
Lily said when they didn't have their hair done, she said if we switch hair, you'll have braids. That's what Lily said last
Stop,
night.
Nate. Stop. Start eating now.
Bro, sit at the table.
You just took a big bite off that burger, huh?
Dude, take them back too.
I eat my fries first. I always eat my fries first. So the fries will get cold.
I'm taking big bite. Do you make TikToks?
Sometimes.
But not like how people make TikTok. I just make videos in my car.
I made. Me and Tally and Lily made a TikTok, and you liked it. You liked it our TikTok.
We were like, and they were like, and we were like, whoa, we know we were like this little doing this. And then they took the iPad away from Lil, and they were like, and Lil was like, why the sun? And I didn't go, and then Anyway, like, say, no, fine, I got one. So when we do our next time, TikTok, Nate, we're gonna say, and Lee's gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna like,
I don't know, boy.
and then Nate's gonna take it and do the same face, and Lee gonna take it and do the same face, and then I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna,
And then we're gonna stand back and do.
no, and then you're gonna get in front and go like, you better give me a fry because you have my stuff. No, because then they won't see us.
Or like,
No, because you have buying my fries. So no.
what should we do to this?
No, really. Because then you're gonna move my pretzel. Come on.
What? I won. Okay.
Stop.
Tartar sauce, baby, for my sandwich.
Hey.
Alright, y'all look like everybody eating. Charlie done smack when she's smacking on her burger. Nate dog over here smacking on his burger. And then Lily over here smacking on her burger. Nom, 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 nom.
What extra cheese on
Let me see, go ahead, let me see you take a bite. Arsh. What about you? Let me see you take a bite. Arsh. Now I'm finna go ahead and take me a bite.
But first, he's gonna try tartar sauce.
Well. We can't be bumping the table in there. What?
I dropped my hamburger.
Not move it.
Awesome.
Balance.
What?
They are balance.
You balancing it?
Yup. Hour.
So how your burger taste, dude?
Good.
Pretty good? Good taste better than
Want to see me
taste
down?
better than cookout burger?
And nachos.
Cheesy burger pie.
Taste better than nachos burger too?
No.
What
The
do you
food
think?
that we got from nachos was just,
It was busting.
yeah, but the meal was like so good, still good. I was trying to that thing, and you already ate it.
Dad, did you got the nacho? It's done?
He got the same thing as me.
That's the same thing as her yesterday.
Yeah, and they just got Maggie, we got a hamburger, and Lily got beef legs.
It was so busty.
Is that a fish?
Five?
For a second, I thought the white stuff,
That's a
it
fish
was
pie?
like, that tartar sauce tastes a little weird. The white stuff, it looks like,
No, what's the black stuff?
What black stuff right here?
Uh-huh.
They burned my bread. They burned my bread, man.
at least you can't taste it.
No, you can't. It's a good fish sandwich, y'all.
It's a little bit good.
This
You
is
said it's some ugly meat.
this is better than the cookout.
Better than cookout?
Yeah.
Okay, what about you, Nate? How you feel about it?
She's over
Is it better than cookout?
Scale 1 to 10.
Cookout
Scale
was
1 to 10.
Scale of 1 to 10, I give my sandwich, a
6.
6.8.
Okay. 10. Really?
6.8.
Girl, you can't say what I said.
The pretzel, the hamburger, with cheese. I'll get out of 9.
You give the pretzels a 9?
No, actually, I would all this a 10.
Okay.
So,
Nah.
Hey. You're getting cheese on your shirt, baby.
oh, I didn't see that.
Yay!
Baby, you're getting cheese all on your shirt.
I got a cover.
I didn't see that.
It's okay.
And
I got
it's
a
on your
cover.
chin, you
Yes,
know.
on your chin. When you go home, just tell Jasmine to wash the shirt, all right?
Daddy, I got a cover in my chicken.
I should have worn nothing.
Daddy.
I mean, honestly, the fish sandwich, I give it about a 7.3. It's really good. Fresh, tastes good. French fries are definitely good. They got crinkle fries. You know what I mean? They got the crinkly fries.
Lily, just.
And I got some pretzel.
And then they got some pretzel bites. They're pretty good.
We have the ketchup.
I need a refill of cheese.
We did this because so we don't get our shirts today.
Okay.
This cheese is so good. The need refill.
Hello. What's up?
Hi, look. Hi. Hi. Look. Hi, look.
I mean, actually, it's mama.
Hello, ma'am. Huh? I can't hear you. Huh? Oh, yeah.
But yeah,
Yes.
we didn't smash the food. Like I say, my sandwich was good.
Oh.
Lily, she's still eating her food. Nate Dogg smashing on his
Okay.
food still. Tally almost killed her burger. She over there eating on her
Pretzel.
Just pass it to my mom.
Is it good now? It's a decent restaurant. The restaurant pretty decent. Basic decor. The basic restaurant decor. Kind of look like what Wendy's looked like back in the day. Remember when they was first making the Wendy's? It had a little open area right there. And, you know, but it's a basic restaurant. Look like it probably seat about 100 people in here.
It's
Like that. But
Daddy,
my phone.
he called in S. But
She
Yeah.
met Tasha.
Yeah, but we smashing the food. I mean, I had a little
Dad,
fruit
can I go
punch.
ask for more cheese?
Go ask him. Yeah, you know, Shotty finna go ask for some more cheese, stuff like that. But we didn't got the food knocked out. I'm gonna take a bite of this little girl burger, see what the burger tastes like. Burger tastes good, but it's getting cold. Bathroom over there. Oh, okay, well, you want to wait till mama. But yeah, we finished the food. It was good. Nate's still eating, everybody eating, but we're gonna catch y'all in a minute, y'all. Peace. All right, young world and my roundabouters. We done here. We ate all the food. Kids, how was the food?
No.
Would y'all come here again?
No. Yeah.
no.
Yeah.
He always saying no, but we about to go ahead and get up out of here, man. About to take him to the park, and then after I take him to the park, I got stuff to do tonight, so I'm about to go do what I do best. I love you too, little girl.
Me too.
You love me, love me. You love me, love me. How much you love me?
A lot. Like 50,000. That's how I told Ozark. Yeah, you hit yourself. I'm leaving by.
Alrighty.
I love you like 10,000.
Like 10,000
Millions.
million.
I mean, it's so, you know the 10s,
Oh.
but the T, with the 10 with the T.
10,000?
10 trillions. Or 10, what it's called? 10 billion?
Trillion?
Yeah, trillion.
Alright, so go ahead and say it. Young world, what's up?
Young world. We finished the food. Culvers.
Culvers.
We finished the food and we're leaving Culvers and we're about to go to the park. Peace.
YouTube. What TY38?